why it keeps making power. This isn't too much. One more PSI. One more.
I don't think I've ever experienced G-forces like that. As we were saying, we're just going back to Cleveland exhaust, hitting up Scotty. Originally this car was being tuned on flex fuel, which means it had a tank of 98 in it, and then directly after was drained and we put ethanol in it, E85. So it was tuned on probably about 60% ethanol because there's obviously 98 left in the tank. That's why we think that it's playing up a bit. It's running a bit lean, just normal driving. Gonna just get the fuel nut touched up a bit and check out why it's idling so high, which is a bit odd considering it's on closed loop drive-by-wire and it's still sitting at like 7 to 12%. So Scott's gonna have a look at that for us and go from there. Maybe do another power run or two and see if we can make 500 kilowatt. So we'll see you there. Oh. Fix your driveway.
Yeah, that's Scott. What'd you say?
I said fix your driveway, please.
Please. Please. He's forgotten about you. That's not an RB.
The engine is still there.
The engine's still the engine?
Yep.
Car's education. With Rico. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Alright, now you can tell me the truth.
What?
Sucks, eh?
What's that? Why are we even doing this?
Stupid. Dumb cars.
I don't even like cars.
I don't even like cars. It's stupid.
I'm just doing this for clout.
Yeah. Is it working? It's not really working.
It's not worth it, hey.
Let's just sell it all.
Yeah,
start our real passion.
Cars are done.
Yeah.
People actually enjoy driving.
Stupid.
All cars are A to B.
Yeah.
If you're not driving A to B, like...
What's the point of a car?
Exactly.
Why would you even want to go fast if there's a speed limit?
Let's just spend like 50 grand on an engine so we can go faster from A to B.
Why build a fast car if you got to go speed limit?
You can't use all that power on the road.
Exactly. Stupid.
Oh no, bro, go on the racetrack. We'll just go in circles. See how fast we can go in circles.
We'll time each other.
Yeah. Stupid.
Stupid.
Cars. With the increased ethanol content, the injector flow is going to be worse, but higher ethanol, so more power, question mark? I don't know how it works.
So what's the weak link?
Injectors is going to max out before anything else does. I really wish I went the 1650s. I probably could have gotten like a good 750, the wheels pretty easy. My original goal was 500 kilowatts, and with 50 horsepower off that, so if I can make 500 kilowatts,
let's see 500.
500 kick around, that'd be sick.
670. It's made more power than last time already, so...
More power, babe.
Imagine we make 700. Or maybe that was his like big power run and now he's toning it down.
That's good power.
We just finished up the dyno.
How many pounds of boost?
27 pounds of boost. He said probably don't run it all the time, so